Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how can you connect portronics one mouse to with your computer or any device with wireless dongle. Okay, you can see here there is a little thing USB stick. Simply you can remove from like this. Okay, it is the connector. You can connect this thing to any laptop or any computer or any USB device. Then you will turn on your mouse, then select 2.4 gigahertz like this. Okay, now it is on 2.4 gigahertz. You can see the line here. Okay, showing that you can see the line. Now it is blinking with the 2.4 green color. That means it is working with 2.4. and you can see here other two buttons like third one and third one plus. That means two Bluetooth connections. Okay, you can simply connect these to any two other devices and you can click here to change the connection from here like this. You can see I'm pressing this. Now it is on third one. Now it is on third one plus, and now it is on 2.4 gigahertz. So in this way you can simply connect your third one mouse, and this thing is hide is here. So this is the purpose of this thing. You can simply connect to any USB device, supported devices like laptop, Android tab, anything. But actually whenever you're connecting your Android tab, you need something like this, a dock station, or it is portronics M port V3. It is have 10 ports, but at least you need a USB dongle like this. Okay, type C to USB A. It is actually type C to type C, but you need type C to USB A or USB 3. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.